The History of Quantum Mechanics, Part 1. Max Planck. Max Carl Ernst Ludwig Planck was born on April 23 in 1858 in Kiel, Germany. Planck came from an academic family. His father was a law professor. Planck excelled in his studies and developed a strong interest in physics. He attended the University of Munich and later the University of Berlin, where he was influenced by prominent physicists like Hermann von Helmholtz and Gustav Kirchhoff. Planck received his doctorate in 1879 with a dissertation on the second law of thermodynamics. Academic career. Planck's early research focused on thermodynamics, the nature of entropy and energy conservation in particular. He held teaching positions at the University of Kiel and then at the University of Berlin, where he was succeeded by Kirchhoff in 1889. Contribution to physics. Black body radiation. In the late 1890s, Planck investigated the problem of black body radiation, which classical physics had not adequately explained. He introduced the concept of energy quantization to resolve the issue. Planck's law. Planck formulated a law describing the spectral density of electromagnetic radiation emitted by a black body in thermal equilibrium. This led him to propose that energy is quantized and can only be emitted or absorbed in discrete units, which he called quantum. Planck's constant. This fundamental constant H represents the proportionality between the energy of a photon and the frequency of its associated electromagnetic wave. It is a cornerstone of quantum mechanics. Recognition in later life. Nobel Prize. In 1918, Planck was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery of the energy quantum. World War II and World War I. Planck's life was deeply affected by both world wars. During World War I, he remained in Germany and continued his work. In World War II, he faced personal tragedies, including the execution of his son Erwin for his involvement in the plot to assassinate Adolf Hitler. After the war, Planck continued to work and remained an influential figure in the scientific community. He was involved in the reorganization of German science. Legacy. Quantum mechanics. Planck is often regarded as the father of quantum theory. His work laid the ground foundation for the development of quantum mechanics, fundamentally changing our understanding of physical processes at the atomic and subatomic levels. Influence. Planck's ideas. Planck influenced many other physicists, including Albert Einstein, Niels Bohr, and Werner Heisenberg. He established the Max Planck Society to continue to be a leading institution for scientific research, reflecting Planck's enduring impact on the scientific community. Max Planck's contribution to physics and his role in the development of quantum theory have cemented his place as one of the most important physicists in history.